Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Oase BioSmart Set. It's an inline filter system for your pond. 5000. Oh yeah, this is powerful, reliable and flexible flow filter set for all garden ponds, up to a maximum of 5 cubic meters. It's an optimal clarification of the pond water. In the various sponge toxic degradations, products such as ammonium, ammonia, nitrate or nitrate are effectively degraded. The integrated UVC unit ensures the rapid removal of floating algae and pathogens. We have in the box 3 meter 3/4 inches, that is 90 millimeter hose and filter, and we have a pump at 1500 pump with 25 watt. That means 1500 liter per hour. Qmax is 1.9 Hmax. Especially easy maintenance. After pressing the cleaning lever, the floor drain can be opened and coarse dirt can be disposed of it. It's really cool because it's easy and nice. Yeah, it's for your awesome pond. It's easy to use pond filter set, the Oase BioSmart Set 5000, with flow through filter, integrated UVC clarifier, filter pump and hose. Everything is in the box. With the easy-to-use Oase BioSmart Set 5000 pond filter set, we are guaranteed to have clear and healthy water in our garden pond. It consists of the Oase BioSmart 5000 flow-through filter with an integrated 7-watt UVC clarifier and an Oase 1500 filter pump, and of course the 3 meter 3/4 hose inches off. It is ideally suited for getting started with the Oase filter technology. Benefit from the perfectly matched components, and the cheaper one complete the set price. The components in detail are really nice. We have the solid flow-through filter. This enables us to get started with the tried and tested Oase filter technology by combining mechanical biological cleaning with the effective UVC technology. This pond filter ensures a clear and healthy pond water. In the filter sponge, it used toxic nitrogen contained in the ammonia, and the nitrite is covered into harmless end products. The integrated UVC unit ensures that floating algae and pathogens are quickly eliminated. A special water flow also enriches the pond water with oxygen. Of course, it's not enough for a big pond to bring a lot of oxygen into it. For this, you maybe need an additional pump. Practical cleaning handles and a floor drain enables easy maintenance and cleaning of the Oase BioSmart 5000. The integrated displays for the degrees of the soiling and the water temperature provide information about the current water temperature at all times and guarantee convenient filter monitoring. The filter housing of the Oase BioSmart 5000 can be buried up to a third. This allows the housing to be hidden more easily, and the surroundings are hardly visually impaired. The Oase 1500 filter pump, included in the scope of delivery, reliably delivers a water volume of 1500 liters per hour to the pond filter with a power consumption of only 25 watt. It achieves a water column of the maximum 1.9 meter. And here are the key facts at a glance, suitable for ponds up to 5 cubic meters. It matched combination of the filter, UVC technology, and pump inclusive. The Oase clear water guarantee, Special water flow for additional oxygen, enriched easy filter maintenance, thanks to the cleaning handle included the degree of soiling and water temperature display. 1/3 of the filter housing can be buried, this making it easy to hide. You can see and hear this is for your pond. A pond is a small, still land-based body of water formed by pooling inside a depression, either natural or artificially. A pond is smaller than a lake, of course, and there are no official criteria distinguishing the two, although define a pond to be less than 5 hectares in areas, less than 5 meters and 16 feet in depth, and it with less than 30% with emerged vegetables helps in distinguishing the ecology of ponds from thousands of lakes and wetlands. And if you have a pond at home, this set here will brings a lot of joy into it because it is a long time fresh in it, and it makes a beautiful water clarity. This is easy because you have attached only the hose easily connected each other. Then you are nearly done because you have to plug in the pump system, and then of course you have to plug in the filter system. So you have the pump, you have the filter, and everything goes well. In the filter is the UVC lamp. This needs energy, so you will need 2 power supplies for it. And then the pump will pump water up to the filter. The filter will float it out and get it back onto the pond. And then it is cleaned with the Oase BioSmart Set inline filter 5000. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.